Hey guys, thanks for checking out the channel. We're the Griddle guys. If you are thinking about buying a griddle or you already have a griddle, you're in the right spot. This is Jeff, Nate, Chris. We do griddle cooking. Today we're going to show you a simple, delicious, fast cook for
Aso chicken fried rice.
Aso. That's not a swear. We'll show you the jar, literally.
Aso.
It's Aso. But Aso chicken fried rice. Probably takes 10 minutes to come together. It's absolutely delicious. Stick around. We'll show you how.
Quick and easy. All right, guys, Jeff was kind enough to prep the meat. Doesn't that look beautiful right there?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken fried rice. Gotta be chicken.
This is the magic right here, Aso sauce. Jeff's going to talk about it right now while I get this on the griddle.
Hey, stop swearing on camera.
Aso!
That's why kids love that sauce.
That stuff is like a jar of sugar.
It makes candied meat.
Candied anything. It's absolutely delicious. What I didn't know is that it's a Northeast treat.
Yeah, I think the company's in New Jersey that makes it. So I've talked to different subscribers around the country, and it's not something that they stock on the grocery shelves everywhere. But guys, I'm pretty sure you can get it on Amazon if you can.
We'll put the link below.
Yeah.
We'll definitely put the link below, and guaranteed you'll love it.
Yeah, the flavor profile, it's really sweet. It tastes really good if you get some charring. So whether you're cooking under a broiler, you're cooking on a gas grill, charcoal, the griddle, if you can get a little bit of burn on it, it tastes delicious. So it's sweet up front with like something savory out back.
Yeah.
It's like a little bit of garlic or something.
And it's more of a sauce than a marinade, so
Yeah.
you really don't have to marinate it for 4 hours. You can coat it, throw it down.
You can literally put your chicken down and just pour it over it.
Yeah.
When we say candy, it gives it
Oh,
that
it's
candy
fabulous.
flavor.
Oh, yeah.
It really does.
It really
it's
is.
like, kids love it. All of our kids love it, right?
Dude, your son puts it on spaghetti.
Oh, he's done it. I give him
That's a
credit.
little
That's pretty
extreme.
smart.
So
Changing it up. We
With
started
this-
low heat, guys, here, by the way. Low heat, low. Because
of the sugar content.
because of the sugar. So you'll start to see black, on the edges and stuff. That's what you're looking for. As far as this cook, we're going to cook the chicken, move it off to the side, then we're going to warm up the rice. Vegetables, I'm just going to have a green onion, garlic, maybe a little ginger.
Carrots.
Carrots. The rice I actually cooked with chicken broth, just to give it, kind of incorporate the chicken flavor a little bit. And
Cooking this morning, right?
did that this morning. You'll see that. Pretty straightforward. The only really things that are different, going to throw a little oyster sauce in there, just because that gives it a little extra profile in the rice. Soy sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, and Nate hates it, but a little sesame oil. And that's not it's a flavored oil. It's not really a cooking oil. So it just adds a little bit of flavor that Nate really enjoys. But yeah, so we'll cook the chicken first.
So it smells delicious. Jeff cut these are chicken thighs. He cut them fairly thin. And
Very key with the chicken thigh.
yeah, chicken thigh makes a huge difference. But you see this little bit of black there? That tastes outstanding with this sauce.
Actually, you want every single piece to have that.
Oh, it is so good.
Yeah.
So good. So we're flipping them all. We cook them about 5 minutes. We're gonna go probably another 5 minutes and then move them off to the side and start the rice. So chicken's done.
Nate loves this.
Well, I'll tell you. Get the back up. The sugar in the sauce is gonna destroy your griddle, right? It's gonna look like this. That's why.
Warning.
We're a big fan of the two-handed scrapers. We'll put a link in the description. But these really let you pull this burn stuff off. See what I'm talking about? I mean, look at that.
Yeah.
It's the candy.
It's worth it, though, guys. It's worth it. Stuff is delish. If you want a griddle, think about picking one of these up.
Link below.
We're good. So it's time for the rice. We're going to start with the veggies, soften them up a little bit. Definitely put down some fresh oil. I got shredded carrots here. Based on the amount of rice you have, I'm going to go with about that.
About half, that's the ginger. Do
We
about
got
half of
ginger. Ginger's really strong, so we're not using all of this. We're gonna use less. Probably about half. That's probably a teaspoonful.
that. By the way, Jeff, you chopped all this up. Are we gonna maybe? Do you
Yeah.
want to show that?
I get those Dow Strong knives.
Yeah, we gotta show that.
I'll tell you,
Looks
man.
All the garlic. Always all the garlic, of course.
About 5 cloves of garlic. Spread this out. Get it going. Bean sprouts, Chris. Bean sprouts.
Oh, yeah.
You like to call
Brussels-
them something else.
Brussels sprouts, criticism.
Maybe half of that bag, mate. You want to get the egg going too right now, or do you want to wait for that? Should we get that going?
That'll take 2 seconds after it's done.
Like I said,
Soften up.
just soften them briefly. And let's grab the rice. Damn it, there goes the cover.
Oh, I missed that. Damn, I missed that.
We'll get that later.
We're getting dark here, guys.
Are we
but
doing-
Bear
are we-
with us.
Are we doing all this rice?
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
of
right.
course.
With any rice on the griddle, you want to make it the day before, much earlier in the day,
Yeah, definitely.
and then put it in the fridge.
If your rice is not cold, like cold, fridge cold, when you put it on the griddle, you're not going to have fried rice. You're going to have a giant pile of starch.
Nate's
Add in all the sauces.
favorite oil, sesame oil.
You can just throw that in the yard.
Throw. You ready, Nate?
Yeah.
All right.
Just a reminder, griddle's still on low.
This stuff is strong, so I do agree with Nate. It does give a lot of flavor, but you just want to put a little bit on.
All right, so I'm not eating any of that where he just put that. I'll just take some out of the middle.
You got some double black soy sauce. That's my favorite. Regular soy sauce is fine. And the benefit of this is that you can really use anything, as far as ingredients wise. You can kind of mix it up.
I think you turn that double soy onto me and Nate, Jeff.
I
That's
love
some
that
good
stuff. It's delicious. It doesn't taste it doesn't taste saltier than soy sauce. It just tastes more savory
Yeah.
than soy sauce.
More fermented. It's just got this more, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a richer flavor.
So this is a little bit of oyster sauce or fish sauce, whatever you want to use. They're kind of interchangeable, but just adds a little more depth. And a little bit goes a long way.
Hopefully we got like 27 more people coming over because this is a lot of fried rice.
It's all good, and it reheats well. And while Nate's mixing that up, I just want to say a big thanks again to all of us subscribers that have been, just kind words, and it's always amazing to me as far as how much they care and, how many nice people there are out there. Definitely still got some concussion issues, definitely still have some issues in general, but
That's his excuse for being dumb.
that's dumb. And
Jeff is way slower.
my 3-minute fuse or 3-second fuse, better yet, has gone to a 1-second fuse lately, but
That's his excuse for being dumb and angry.
but I just wanted to say thank you guys again.
You
it's-
guys are great. I couldn't agree more with
Yeah.
Jeff. Comments are awesome.
Yeah.
All right, we got some scallions coming, right?
Yeah. Scallions, green onion.
All right, I'm gonna fire up the other burner. We had the burner off so the chicken didn't overcook. Put them both on medium, heat everything up.
I'm going to toss this in.
Yep, go right ahead. Like I said, a lot of fried rice.
A lot of flavor, too.
It smells delicious. All right, last step, guys. I'm gonna put down a little bit more fresh oil just so the egg doesn't stick. I'm gonna scramble up an egg and mix that into the rice.
You like putting me to work, huh, Nate?
I do.
I like just being behind the camera. So much easier.
You just did 1 egg or 2 eggs? 1 egg?
That was one. Can use 2 if you want.
Oh, that looks good.
Like I said, if you have like 25 people that want fried rice, just have Jeff come over and cook.
There you have it, guys. You bring your chicken over, you have the other griddle guys cook it for you, and, and this is the result.
Bring enough rice for 30 people.
Bring enough rice for a party. Aso chicken fried rice. It's delicious. Try it out. Definitely hit us up with comments, like, subscribe. We're the Real Griddle Guys at Instagram, Chris,
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
and the Griddle Guys at Facebook.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Try it out. Enjoy.